Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Fan Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase panel van. It's also a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van is a used 71 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had all its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the van. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice front fog lights and front parking sensors. In the centre grille, you will notice two nice chrome strips. This vehicle is also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van again, you will notice that it's fitted with 16-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. As we move up to the mirrors, you will notice the mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. Also, the mirrors are heated and power folding. This is ideal for leaving the van on a busy road and also for cold winter months. Also, to this side of the vehicle, you will notice a passenger side sliding door. Moving into the load area, you will notice a bulkhead to the back of the front seats. As I pan the video camera around, you will notice factory fitted panelling, and also the load area is clean from damage. To the back of the van, you will notice a tailgate without window. As I move across the rear bumper, you will see reverse parking sensors. You'll also notice standard rear tail lights. You'll also see a transporter badge and a VW emblem on the rear tailgate. Looking back into the load area, if you would like to protect the panels from any damage, you could ask for a quote on Wood Ply-lining, including the floor. Across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. As we look up, you will see inside the rear tailgate. This van is painted in a solid colour, which is Ascot Grey. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both front doors come with some handy storage, as you can see. Moving across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. As we move to the back of the van, you will notice the bulkhead. You'll also notice 3 comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. Also, the driver's seat has 2 armrests for added comfort on long journeys. I have now finished my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window controls. Down here, you will see the automatic headlight switch. To this side, you will notice multimedia switches. To this side, you will see cruise control. This van has covered 10 delivery miles. To the centre of the dash, you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. You'll also notice an SD card reader, which is here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here with a 12-volt socket. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. You will also notice it's fitted with App Connect. This will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps off your smartphone. My favourites at the moment is Waze for maps and also my downloaded music app. I am now going to pop the vehicle into reverse. You will notice it's fitted with a park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice that this van is fitted with a heated front windscreen for cold winter months. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. The next switch across is a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. And lastly, here we have the 5-speed manual gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a Highline model. It's a short wheelbase panel van. It's also fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 71 plate van, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the van. When talking to the salesperson, you could ask about booking a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options if needed. And thank you for watching.